was like, okay, what are the smart people in the class doing? And they were doing CFA. So they told me about it. And that's how I decided to go for it. And also because I was very clear कि मुझे CA नहीं करना, nothing against it, but मुझे नहीं करना था. The last crush I had was actually 2023. Because I am a person who goes through self-doubt every minute, every millisecond of my life. Right? Can you please create a community on Telegram from where we self-learners will be able to solve queries? Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. This video is the last long video for 2024. Iske baad when you see me in this format, you're gonna see me in 2025. So I will see you next year. Very bad joke. But anyways, this video is basically an Ask Me Anything. I posted this on Instagram and YouTube and I've got some questions that you guys have asked. Some very personal, some thoda CFA related, some career related, what job am I doing, profession, how much am I earning, etc, etc. So I'm going to be answering everything honestly, as many questions that I can, of course. So yeah, why are we wasting time? Let's get straight to it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you've ever liked my work in a teeny tiny bit, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, please hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who are already a part of this channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Wow, 2024 is over. Feels like a blink and feels so fast. But anyway, question number 1 is by Lavina Chawla. How do you deal with self-doubt in personal life? Okay, so I don't know if this is a very right person to ask because I am a person who goes through self-doubt every minute, every millisecond of my life, right? So yeah, that is something that I think we all face it. It's not that कि मैं YouTube पे आ रही हूँ तो I don't have self-doubt. I have a lot of it. Every action that I take, every decision that I take, I think is always questioned 500 times in my head. मैं बहुत सारी situations create कर लेती हूँ जो शायद होंगे भी नहीं, but that's just how I am. How I deal with it is honestly, for me, there are a few tactics. One is initially when I'm very like in a bad zone, बहुत ज़्यादा self doubt हो रहा है, I sleep. I can't sleep, but I just shut my eyes, leave the phone, एकदम lights बंद करके, you know. It's not the best way, but that is my way of shutting away. So basically, what I would suggest to you is shut away for a bit and then come back, bounce back, and just, you know, the acceptance कि we can never be perfect and nobody around us is perfect. Literally, everybody is doing trial and error. तो जब ये points थोड़ा थोड़ा हम अपने आप को remind करते हैं ना, somehow we start feeling better. Because whatever said and done, self-doubt comes because we are always comparing ourselves to somebody. That's what I feel in some format or the other. So the moment we keep reminding ourselves कि भाई वो भी perfect नहीं है, हम भी perfect नहीं बन सकते, somehow that self-doubt goes away. And the one thing that I've started following is, you know, just do it. अब जो भी है, जैसा भी है, do it. For example, right now, you know, I'm so tired, शक्ल पे दिख रही होगी, you know, not a single iota of makeup. Usually I don't like, you know, I want to come in a more presentable way maybe, but today I was like, you know, just do it. अब self-doubt हो, कुछ भी हो, what has to be done has to be done. So yeah, I hope you got your answer, Lavina. Next is by Bharat Agarwal. LinkedIn ID दे सकते हो अपना. LinkedIn पे मैं सेम नाम पे चलती हूँ, तनिष्का जिंदानी. I'll put it on. आप मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो. I'll be honest, मैं कनेक्शन रिक्वेस्ट इतने एक्सेप्ट नहीं करती because I do not speak on messages with anybody privately. That is a very strict rule I followed from this year because of some indecent things that happened in 2023. So because of that, personal message पे तो मैं LinkedIn पे भी बात नहीं करती unless I know the person personally. That's not gonna happen. So आप मुझे follow कर सकते हो. अगर connection request आपको भेजना है, even if I accept it, I will not be opening messages. You can still only contact me via comments. And the reason I specified this is because a lot of people have asked me for my LinkedIn ID to message me privately, but I just wanted to highlight what you guys already know, and I think it's fair, yeah, itna, so please give it to me, right? Next is a very fun question by Shankar. Tell me your crush name. Shah Rukh Khan, Tanishka, just joking. So currently, I actually don't have a crush, which is very sad. Single भी हूँ, crush भी नहीं है, मतलब अलग लेवल की लाइफ खराब चल रही है इस बात में, पर्सनल लाइफ के चक्कर में. बट नहीं है, ऑनेस्टली मुझे फिलहाल कोई पसंद नहीं है. इवन सेलिब्रिटी में, लाइक आई एम वेरी स्मिथन बाय शाहरुख खान, हिज पर्सनैलिटी, बट आई डोंट हैव अ क्रश ऑन हिम दैट आई, यू नो, लुक एट हिम. अब मैं उस नज़र से उसको नहीं देखती, पहले देखती थी. सो क्रश तो कोई नहीं है. द लास्ट क्रश आई हैड वाज एक्चुअली 2023 नवंबर 12-13, मतलब नवंबर में बर्थडे के आसपास, ऑन अ गाय who was a volunteer representative at UNICEF India. So that was my last crush that I can remember. उस बंदे का नाम भी मुझे याद नहीं है, but वो था. If that answers you, sadly. कोई बनो यार. Anyways, next question is by Dream to Fly. How many hours you used to study in a day typically for the CFA exams for each level? Only study material, study, exclude video practice, etc. Also, how many hours you used to practice in a day for the CFA levels? Okay, so this is honestly, I won't have a concrete answer because I never have counted hours while studying. I am that kind of person. I set a target and then I just hold myself responsible कि ये पूरा करना है, चाहे 1 घंटे में चाहे 10 घंटे में, वैसे. That's how I like to do it and that's how I've done for all levels. But roughly, if I keep only the reading bit, I'm the slowest reader on planet Earth. So if I have to read say 1 chapter, it can take me up to 2 days. Because और तब एक तो अभी जो level 1 है, the chapters are very very small. तब it used to be very very long. They were shorter number of chapters but lengthy chapters. So I would take 2 to 3 days to read a chapter because I'm slow and I used to do it like in half an hour a day, 2 hours a day for the reading bit, and बाकी मैं solving and video lecture. I prefer audio visual learning. So the reading bit, honestly, I don't spend too much time. I did because it is very very important for language understanding and understanding how they can possibly frame questions. But that used to be my worst part. I used to hate reading. So बहुत कम time, जितना कम time, but ज़्यादा दिन लगते थे क्योंकि मैं literally दिन में इतना करती थी. So it's not a right answer. I would tell you how many months I took. For CFA level 1, I took about 5 months to study. For CFA level 2, technically you can say I took a year, but COVID defil milake you can say almost 2 years. But padhai I would say 1 year. And for level 3, it's never ending. But the maximum, I think, one period that I've studied is 6 to 7 months again. Next we have, okay. We have a question from Shrenik Shah. CFA level 1, free any mock test. Once you register, you will anyways get mock tests by the institute. So it is there in the candidate resources. I think you have 2 or 3 free mock tests per application. Once you register, per registration for any level. So you can use that. Other than that, Shwezer ke books mein bhi hote hain, volume 1, volume 2, jo hum bolte hain, practice volume 1, so that. Next is a question by Nishant Singh. Any advice if we haven't achieved our goal? For this I actually have an answer जो मैं मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बहुत बोलते थे कॉलेज में कि अगर सब कुछ इजीली मिल जाए तो आर टेड टॉक वुड बी सो बोरिंग, राइट? जितने फेलियर्स, जितने हर्डल्स, जितने स्ट्रगल्स आएंगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा टेड टॉक बनेगा. एंड मैं इसको बहुत सीरियसली लेती हूँ. एट दैट मोमेंट, like I said in the start, I shut away. But other than that, I keep reminding myself that this is just to make my TED Talk very, very, very good. And a very more proper answer is, for me, I've seen that sometimes when goals don't work out, something bigger is about to happen. Or, it's not working out because हम कुछ मिस कर रहे हैं. We are missing something that we haven't seen. I'm not saying मेहनत. Sometimes we really work hard, but we still don't achieve our goal because we haven't seen maybe, the whole, क्या बोलते हैं, the weightage of that goal. हमें अब तक पता नहीं है for what we are actually doing it. So till our whys are clear, usually we don't clear a goal. And I feel that the failure also happens because of that, to give you clarity of your why. और जब आपका why clear हो जाएगा, वैसे भी goal achieve हो जाएगा. And also, कभी-कभी मैं इसमें मानती हूँ, कभी-कभी नहीं मानती हूँ. मतलब आपको याद दिलाने की कोशिश करती हूँ that जो होता है बहुत अच्छे के लिए होता है. Like I just said, कि sometimes something even bigger and better is on our way. I know at that time it sounds stupid, मुझे भी लगता है, but that's what I believe, that something better is there. And acceptance कि भाई you can't get everything. So I hope that answers your question. But usually मैंने देखा है कि जब goals achieve नहीं होते, या तो कुछ मिलने वाला होता है, कुछ better, या वो नहीं मिल रहा है because it is not yet taught us the lesson that it has to. Even if I talk about my weight loss journey, my CFA journey, I feel like somewhere there was a lack of clarity in my head of the why, or I underestimated things maybe in terms of weight. So जब तक वो why clear नहीं होगा, आप वैसे भी achieve नहीं करोगे. And any advice is, if that goal really means something to you, if it is something you really want, just don't give up. Because if you keep on doing something constantly, eventually, and I've seen this personally, the universe also bows down कि भाई ये लिच्छड़ इंसान है, they're not gonna leave it, हमें देना पड़ेगा. So that's my advice. Next is by Santosh Dua. Can you please create a community on Telegram from where we self-learners will be able to solve queries? Santosh Dua, unfortunately, the answer for this right now is no. I know it's been over a year. A lot of you have told me this. बट मैं ये नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. इसके पीछे बहुत रीजंस है. नंबर वन, आई डोंट यूज टेलीग्राम एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म एट ऑल. इट्स नॉट समथिंग आई एंजॉय. मे बी वन डे एन इंस्टाग्राम कम्युनिटी जब थोड़े नंबर्स बढ़ जाएंगे, बट टेलीग्राम is something I only don't use, and I don't think at this point I can manage it because I already have too much on my plate, touch wood, but right now it is not what I have in mind. Maybe someday, never say never, but अभी वो टाइम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट इज बाय जतिन, क्या आप जॉब करते हो? CFA करने के बाद आपकी सैलरी कितनी है? जतिन, एज ऑफ नाउ मैं जॉब नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई एम डूइंग माई ओन थिंग. आई एम अ कंसल्टेंट फॉर बोथ इंडिविजुअल्स, यंग करियर प्रोफेशनल्स एंड बिजनेसेस एज वेल. रिसेंटली मैंने उसको एक नाम भी दिया है, कॉल्ड ताशा, TAASHAA. बट एज ऑफ नाउ मैं अपना कर रही हूँ. मैं CFA के बाद एक्चुअली कोई लॉन्ग टर्म जॉब नहीं लिया, यूजुअली अ फ्रीलांसर. बट मैंने फर्स्ट जॉब लिया था आफ्टर CFA लेवल 1 एज अ कंटेंट राइटर. तब मुझे मिला था 27,000 मंथली. दिस इज बैक इन 2019. दैट्स इट. देन आयुष सोनी हैज आस्क्ड, यूट्यूब लाइव कब आओगे? अब यार मैं आती हूँ फिर आप लोग नहीं आते हो, तो मैं बहुत डिसअपॉइंट हो जाती हूँ उस चीज़ से कि आए तो कम, फिर आप लोग नहीं आते हो. यूजुअली आई कम वंस अ मंथ, बट आप मुझे बताओ, आप मुझे डेट बताओ कि इस दिन पे आप आओगे तो हम सब आएंगे. थोड़ा सा जैन में डिफिकल्ट चल रहा है बिकॉज देयर इज अ वेडिंग ऑफ माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड, एज यू गाइज वुड नो. तो वो हफ्ता छोड़ के मैं आ जाऊंगी, बट यू गाइज नीड टू प्रॉमिस मी कि आप आओगे लाइव पे तो ही मैं आऊंगी. प्लानिंग इट अर्ली जैन ओनली, लाइक जैन 7th वाले वीक में, बट प्रोवाइडेड यू गाइज कम. नहीं तो इस बार ना मैं अपने आप को दुखी नहीं करूंगी. फिर यूट्यूब लाइव के बाद मैं इतनी दुखी हो जाती हूँ कि कैसे, क्या कम्युनिटी थी, क्या इतने कम लोग आ रहे. सो इफ यू गाइज आर नॉट कमिंग, आई एम नॉट कमिंग लाइव. Okay, this last question, very important. What motivated you to pursue CFA? Also, please give any advice to first year student preparing for CFA level 1. What motivated me के ऊपर तो मैंने पूरा वीडियो बनाया था. I was in college. I didn't quite know at that point what I really wanted to do. I was a confused college student, confused graduation student, and there were certain other things that I wanted to do. Just somewhere I realized much early on कि ये नहीं हो सकता for whatever personal reasons. So I was like, okay, what are the smart people in the class doing? And they were doing CFA, so they told me about it, and that's how I decided to go for it. And also because I was very clear कि मुझे CA नहीं करना, nothing against it, but मुझे नहीं करना था. So they told me about it, and मुझे उस टाइम पे लगा था that I will become a stock market pro, and मुझे stock market में थोड़ा interest था. So that's why I got it. I went into it. But the staying bit, why did I stay on it, has a very different story. So I actually have a video on why did I do CFA. You should check this out. And the final question is, sorry, the next half of this. By the way, this question is asked by Gopal. The final part of this question is, any advice to a first year student preparing for CFA level 1? Just have patience and determination. That's it. This exam CFA is honestly not as tough जितना हमें लगता है, जितना हमने बनाया हुआ है इतना टफ है ही नहीं. It is more of a mind game. So जितना शांत आपका दिमाग होगा, जितने पेशेंट आप रहोगे, जितने डिटर्मिन्ड रहोगे कि चाहे कितना भी बैड डे हो, चाहे कितनी बार I'm falling, I will still get up. Eventually you will manage to pass it because that's the entire ball game. और कुछ है ही नहीं इस एग्जाम में. The syllabus is really not that tough. एक बार आपको समझ आ गया ना, it's like this. But they're playing with your mind. So make sure you're training your mind to not be played. That's my advice. And one last advice I'll give you is, please enjoy your college life again as well. It's not gonna come back, and it is very, very important. So with that, I think we have ended the Ask Me Anything for this year, the last Ask Me Anything. Some questions were overlapping, इसलिए एक आध मैंने छोड़ भी दी क्योंकि already इसमें भी एक आध overlap हो गए हैं. But I hope you guys have liked it. I hope I've answered your question to the best of my ability. थोड़ी सी आवाज जा रही है, suddenly I've realized. Also my nails I'm flaunting. Anyway, very out of context. But I hope you liked it. And yeah, if you did, let me know in the comment section. अगर कोई question छूट गया है that you want to know about me, personal life edition or anything, drop it in the comments and I will reply. Or I will make another video very, very, very soon. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next year. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.